Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to black out cells in Excel. So you can do that in manual way, just drag your mouse and hold it on left click and basically go right here to the bucket and choose the black color. And if you want to automate the process, what you can do is basically select all the cells that you're going to automate, then click on conditional formatting like this, then go to color scales, hover it, and click on more rules. Now, right here, what you'll need to do is click only format cells that contain, and right here, what you'll need to do is select specific text, then containing, and then format it. Right here, you can select the font size and etc. But what you need to do is go to fill, then select a black color, and basically with the black color, what you'll need to do is go right here, click OK, and right here, just write a 0. And that's how you'll be able to automate 0 cells where it says 0 and just make it black out. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.